Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge the columns. So I have a sample data here which has sales numbers for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So it also repeats for the next year. So I don't have a visibility that which year reflects which quarter. So which quarter actually reflects to which year. So to identify easily, so I'm going to merge all the columns and then write uh, the year name. So I have a four columns B, C, D, E. Here you see little box, drop down, select merge all. So it will merge all the columns. So I'm gonna select this thing and it merged all the columns. Now it has become a single cell. So I will write it as 2024. Now I have another dump also has the same quarter 1 to quarter 4 data. So I'll select all the four and then click on drop down and merge all the columns. Now I'm going to write 2025. See how it looks easier to identify which quarter is actually under which year. So I have first 2024 data, then I have 2025. So when you have large set of data and you want to identify what it falls under, so better add these merge cells so that you can easily identify. You'll add a little bit color to it, background color. It will be nicer. So I'll be adding yellow color because it's sales. So now it looks cool. Even if I add some borders, then okay, now I have added borders to it, so now it looks cool. This is how you can merge. So this is how you can merge the data. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.